Inhlangano ebhekele ukusetshenziswa kwemali yabakhokhi indlela i-U-Dkt isole uDokotela Blade Nzimande kanye nosihlalo webhodi le-NSFAS u-Ernest Khosa ngokufumbathiswa intshontsho ukuze bavikele izinkampani ezihlinzekwa ngamathenda athinta umnyango wemfundo ephakeme. Le nhlangano ithi inabo ubufakazi benkulumo eqoshiwe efakazela lokhu. Iphawula ngalolu daba i-DA ithi kumele akhonjwe indlela uNzimande kanti-ke izomvulela icala lobugebengu.
Just last week, a series of leaked recordings released by the Organisation Undoing Tax Abuse revealed the details of a criminal cartel operating inside the Department of Higher Education. We are preparing criminal charges against Nzimande, and we are also briefing our legal team to declare the NSFAS board delinquent.
Eziphendulela uNzimande uziphikile lezinsolo wathi zingamampunge.
I therefore wish to dismiss this baseless insinuation by U-Dkt. Some organizations, including some sections of the media, that I as minister was involved in some form of corruption at NSFAS. These are all lies that emanate from a malicious fight-back campaign. My conscience is clear and I have nothing to hide or fear.
Uthi lena yimzamo yokuzilwela kwezinye izinhlangano njengoba ibhodi le-NSFAS lizoqala ukuqeda ezinye izinkontileka esebenzisana nazo.
It is our view that the leaked so-called recordings are part of a nefarious fight-back campaign that is meant to undermine and frustrate the decision of the NSFAS board.
uNzimande uphothule ngokuthi uzobiza umhlangano ophuthumayo nebhodi le-NSFAS ngoLwesithathu ukuzobhunga ngalolu daba.